Hey, Brian from Garage Will Haul. Our Hummer H2, it has a parasitic drain on it, which means that the battery drains down when you're not using it, and we just don't drive as much as we should. So it's been sitting here for about 2 weeks, and the battery is obviously dead. So we picked up the Noco Boost XL. It's a GB50. It's the 12 volt 1500 amp version. It's for like 6-liter engines, so it's definitely going to start this big monster. And it's simple as, obviously, you charge it up. It has a USB in to charge it. It has a USB out, so you can actually charge your cell phone, your laptops, various equipment off of this thing. But basically, you just hit the power switch on, and when the lights start chasing one another, that means that it's boosting. So this thing's been dead for, like I said, probably about 2 weeks. And let's see how fast we can start her up. Alright, let me just get in here. Get the key in. And boom. Starts right up. So, I mean, that was, what, 30 seconds? This thing's absolutely fantastic. Anyway, so this thing is like super compact. You can put it in your backpack. You're basically just hooking it up to red to your positive, black to your negative. Pretty simple. And it boosts your truck or your car or whatever you drive. Anyhow, small enough that you can throw it in your backpack, glove box, whatever you need. Brian from Garage Will Haul. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.